You ready?
No, but let's do it anyways.
Alright. Hi, I'm Mom.
And I'm Emma.
Hi, this is my voice.
Alright,
Tyler.
and today we are going to open our Junior Universal Yums box.
Words.
Anyway, so the box looks like this, and on the front here it says, "These Yums traveled all the way from the pearl of the Orient seas." So I do not know what that means, but
I think it comes from the Pacific Islands. That's my guess.
I think we should eat it.
okay, so those two very good guesses. I have no idea. Alright, so this box is the smallest one. It's the $15 a month subscription. We pay for it ourselves. They don't know who we are.
Yay!
Right? Is that what you're supposed to say?
Yes.
Alright. And let's get into it. Maybe. Yay! Alright. Okay, so welcome to the Philippines. That's where we're going. Alright. So it also comes with, flash the booklet, kiddo. It comes with a little booklet that has little games and trivia and descriptions of the snacks. But we're not going to read from it because I think that's lame. We're just going to show you what we got.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to start first with baked cheesy puffs. Sweet butter and cheese. Alright.
There we go.
Alright, so what does it say on the package? It says they're baked and they're outrageously cheesy. So, alright, 90 calories per bag, blah blah blah. It's a snack food, it's not supposed to be good for you.
Yes.
Alright, so those look interesting. I bet the kids are gonna like these more than I am. I tend to be more sweet. But I'll try them.
They better be
definitely
cheesy.
try 'em.
If they're lying about the cheese, then the whole family would be very disappointed.
Alright, so this is the rattly snack.
Yee! I've been waiting for this.
Alright, so this is adobo flavor cornic.
What is adobo?
I don't know, it's like chipotle. It's probably spicy.
Oh no.
Okay, but this is just, I think, corn nuts.
What's corn nut?
They're deliciously crunchy.
Oh my god, wait, I think I've had corn nuts.
Oh, I love corn nuts. Oh, show them. I think those are just corn nuts from the Philippines. I'm sure those will be delightful.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm hoping they're not too spicy.
I hope.
I like corn nuts.
Well, we'll have to see. Yes, Emma doesn't do spicy.
I do not.
Oh, this is fun. I'm really enjoying this one so far.
It's
This
rattly.
is
Oh my god.
Cupcake Cocoa Ube.
So it's like a cupcake with ube flavor?
Yes, but it's spelled Cuppkeyk. So it's like cup kick. I think. Keek. I don't know.
You're probably not saying that right.
What did you ube?
Cocoa Ube. Ube is a purple yam.
Oh, it was like from those
With
pancakes we had.
Cocoa flakes. But it looks like when they say cocoa, they mean coconuts, not cocoa like cocoa powder.
I hope it's good. I like ube.
So here's that.
I hate ube and coconut.
Well, you don't have to try it, I guess, if you don't want to. More for me. I like ube and
No,
coconut.
I'm gonna try it.
That
Oh.
looks interesting.
Okay, so you want to do this one next?
I want to do that one next.
Alright. These are Egg Bites egg cookies made with real fresh eggs. Alright.
They have
I'm
eggs.
sensing they're really proud of their eggs. Oh, this doesn't really say. There's eggs in them. I'm almost positive.
Are you sure
Actually,
about
there
that?
isn't.
That'd be funny.
No eggs in it. Not at all.
They're egg free, gluten free.
I like the cute little chicken on there.
I know,
Package.
little chick. It reminds me of the video game Can It.
Alright,
Remember that video game called?
this is Penny Pig Polvorin Philippine shortbread. Huh. I have no idea. I like shortbread though. It looks like it's just a little cookie
I
thing.
don't remember if I like shortbread.
It's butter, sugar, flour,
And then I probably like it.
and there's what's not to love. Butter and sugar is my favorite things. Alright. So this is a fudge bar Macapuno cream-filled Macapuno cake bar. Don't think fudge means in the Philippines what it means here, because this does not look at all
Like the chocolate.
like chocolate. It's a fudgy bar. Okay, not
Yeah.
fudge bar. I don't know what Macapuno is.
I'm gonna look in the pamphlet. 'Cause
Macapuno.
Yeah, I'm probably not even pronouncing that correctly, but it's green with cream filling. Yeah. Well, you never know. What does that say here? I guess we have to look this one up. It's just too much.
Yeah.
It's coconut.
It's just a coconut bar?
I don't know.
So,
It's the weird jelly in the middle of a coconut, I guess. I don't know. I'm intrigued. Are you intrigued?
oh, I'm intrigued. It's not gonna be like regular coconut, so I'm excited.
Alright, so the very last thing in the box is a Choco Mucho bar. And this is white chocolate, caramel, chocolate cookie center, cereal Krispies.
So
It's
like
cookies and cream flavored.
So like chocolate Rice Krispies?
Yeah, with white chocolate. It's some kind of candy bar. It's candy
I
bar.
need this candy bar.
We
I
like
like
candy.
We all like candy.
It's the only candy in there because we've got cookies and cupcakes but no candy. So now we have some candy.
Candy!
Alright.
Thank you.
So that
Ooh, looks
completes our Universally Unbox, our trip to the Philippines. We will film a tasting later and post that later.
It'll be delicious.
Hope so. Alright. Thank you.
So there's another fun and fantabulous episode. Please like and subscribe below. Follow us on Twitter at OurDorky to get alerts on when we post new videos, or email us at ourdorkyfamily@gmail.com with any questions or comments. See you next time.